I am Baba. Please subscribe Baba Academy for latest updates. Today we are going to know about English portfolios, which includes question 1 class 3 vocabulary activities and question 2 substitutional table and question 3 class 1 and 2 fun time activities. Baba Academy gives you an idea about the English portfolios. You can expand it and you can write more. Let's see the examples. English portfolio question number 1. Prepare any two activities for teaching vocabulary for class 3. I have taken unit 2 the recipe book. I have prepared an activity for vocabulary. Imagine you are in the kitchen. Write the things we use in the kitchen. One is done for you. I have given a mind map. See, and as activity 2 I have taken unit 3 the loyal mongoose. Here I have given arrange the following words in alphabetical order. One is done for you. See, this is the activity. And then coming to the question number 2, write a detailed note on the usage of substitutional tables in teaching English. See here substitutional table. I have written some sentences about substitutional table. A substitutional table is used while teaching structures of English to students. See, I have given a definition, H.E. Palmer's definition, and substitutional tables usefulness. I have written 4 points: sequencing language, collaborative group work, integrating language and learning, and differentiation. See, after that, procedure for preparation of substitutional table. This is the procedure. Language components to be taught must be used in a grammatically correct model sentence. Simple structures or language components must be the ones taught in initial stages with only one item covered at a time. A word, phrase, idiom or vocabulary item may be used as a tool. The words of a model sentence are substituted for by other words. The substitution words are of the same grammatical family in which the model sentence is done. The components must be simple so that the people can easily understand them. This is the procedure. And then types of substitutional tables. I have written here simple substitutional table and compound substitution table, grammatical substitution table, perfect substitution table, imperfect substitution table. Here I have given simple substitution table. Write the possible sentences with the help of the table. One is done for you. See, this is the substitution table I have given. And then coming to the question number 3, suggest teaching strategies for conduct of fun time activities in class 1 and 2. A fun or challenging activity can keep them focused on what you are saying. So, bottle lid game. Here, this activity procedure, students are given bottles and lids. Some students should write capital letters on bottles. Others should write small letters, lowercase letters on the lids. One child puts the bottle on the table. Another child should pick the lid containing the related lowercase letter and put it on the bottle. If the same lid is put, then the child gets a point. This is the activity. And then another activity, the mime. The procedure of the activity is write down a list of action words such as eating, watering a plant, walking like an old man, laughing, skipping, combing, drinking, reading, etc. Put them in a bag. Divide the class into 2 teams. The students has to enact that word while the other student try to guess what the word is. The team that guess the word correctly gets a point. The team with the maximum points wins. This is my portfolio. Thank you very much.